Anyone knows that? In this barren desert, there is a buffalo suffering in pain. On its back, there are hundreds of small holes that look like the holes in a beehive. Thousands of bees flew in and out of those holes. Wherever the buffalo went, the ground shook, followed by dense swarms of bees. Along with that, a lot of honey is flowing from the body of the buffalo as it moves.
The large, deep footprints seem to indicate that a giant creature has passed through here.
Not an ordinary buffalo. It has been parasitized.
It may take some time here to clean and treat this buffalo. The issue with its skin is quite serious.
The work here is done. Let's start heading back.